Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all the students. I hope that you all are fine. In the previous video, we have started the reading of Unit 2 and we have already read paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. And today in this video, we will read the third and the last paragraph of this unit. So open your books, page number 8. One day, Papa and Lapa went to the forest. One day, Papa and Lapa went to the forest. एक दिन पापा लॉइन और लापा लॉइन बेबी लॉइन फॉरेस्ट जंगल में जाते हैं. पापा वॉज हंटिंग. पापा शिकार कर रहे थे. लापा वॉज प्लेइंग इन द ट्रीज. एंड लापा, what was Lapa doing? Lapa was playing in the trees. वो दरख्तों में खेल रहा था. Soon it got dark. अचानक से अंधेरा हो जाता है. Lapa could not see Papa. Now, Lapa was not able to see Papa in that darkness. अब जब अंधेरा हो जाता है तो लापा जो है, बेबी लॉइन जो है, वो अपने पापा को नहीं देख सकता. He was very scared. Scared means frightened, डर जाना. So लापा, जब लापा को अपने पापा नहीं दिखाई दिए तो वो डर गया था. He was scared. He searched the trees. No Papa. उसने दरख्तों में देखा but there was no Papa. पापा नहीं थे वहाँ. He searched at the river. River दरिया. उसने दरिया के पास भी जाके ढूंढा. No Papa. पापा वहाँ नहीं थे. Lapa stopped smiling. Now Lapa was very scared. वो बहुत डरा हुआ था. सो उसने मुस्कुराना छोड़ दिया था. He stopped smiling. He started to cry. और उसने रोना शुरू कर दिया था. Just one little tear. Tear means आंसू. और जैसे ही वो रोने लगा, एक छोटा सा आंसू उसकी आंखों से निकला. No Papa came. और उसके रोने के बावजूद भी पापा वहाँ नहीं आए थे. More and more tears fell. फिर एक के बाद बहुत सारे आंसू निकलना शुरू हो गए. But no Papa. पापा फिर भी नहीं आए. Suddenly, Lapa opened his mouth and roared. अचानक से, suddenly means at once, अचानक. अचानक लापा ने अपना मुंह खोला और रोर किया, धाड़ा. पापा heard the roar. पापा ने जैसे ही लापा के धाड़ने की आवाज सुनी, लापा roared again. लापा ने दोबारा से धाड़ा, दोबारा से रोर किया. पापा ran and ran. और फिर पापा भागते हुए लापा के पास आए. लापा ran to पापा. लापा ने जैसे ही पापा को देखा, वो भाग के पापा के पास गया. पापा hugged लापा. Hugged गले लगाना. और फिर पापा ने लापा को गले लगा लिया. I will do the reading again. One day Papa and Lapa went to the forest. Papa was hunting. Lapa was playing in the trees. Soon it got dark. Lapa could not see Papa. He was very scared. He searched the trees. No, Papa. He searched at the river. No, Papa. Lapa stopped smiling. He started to cry. Just one little tear. No, Papa came. More and more tears fell. But no, Papa. Suddenly, Lapa opened his mouth and roared. Papa heard the roar. Lapa roared again. Papa ran and ran. Lapa ran to Papa. Papa hugged Lapa. So you have to do the reading practice of this paragraph, and now I will show you the difficult words from this unit. Here are the difficult meanings from this unit. First one is cub. Cub, baby loin. Loin के बेबी को कब कहते हैं? क्या कहते हैं? कब. Hunting. Hunting. Hunting means chasing or killing. शिकार करना. And we use this word for animals. हम ये animals के लिए use करते हैं. Just like deer hunting or loin hunting. शेर का शिकार करना या हिरन का शिकार करना. So this hunting means शिकार करना. Sad. Sad. Sad means खफा या उदास. Unhappy. Sad, unhappy. Search. Search. Search means to find something. To find something. किसी चीज़ को ढूंढना या तलाश करना. Scared. Scared. Scared means frightened. Frightened. Frightened means डरना. Suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly, at once. At once. अचानक. Cub, hunting, sad, search, scared, suddenly. So these are the difficult words from Unit 2. You have to do the practice of these difficult words, the pronunciation, and you have to read this unit for at least 3 to 4 times. We will do the written work of this unit in the next video.